Good afternoon, guys. Just want to go ahead and show you. I'm really excited. I finished my son's harness. So I ordered some connectors here that plug right into the 7-bar LED light, that a 7-inch LED light that we installed and did custom. So he had a light like this on the e-bike that he just got. It has a connector just like that, and I had to do some multimeter work, but found the kind of wiring that it has, basically, that we go from positive negative on the light bar, and then it switches, but everything works here. So let me get that more focused. Look at that. Let's see. So, oh man, it's exciting, and yeah, I can't wait to see him ride. I'll show another video, but I have it fused. I have on my video that I made on the whole, basically making this harness. I have it how I made the fuse holder and stuff like that. So if you guys want to know how to make a little fuse holder and how to mod your e-bike, don't forget to just like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it, and we thank you. All right, have a good rest of your day. Just wanted to show you what's up. Thanks a lot. Yeah.